Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about a word that every trader hears but few actually understand fully. White right pointing backhand index leverage. It sounds cool, right? Double the profit or double the loss. Some people say leverage is the key to getting rich in trading. Others say it's the fastest way to blow up your account. So which is it? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how leverage works in simple terms with real-life examples, and I'll show you why it can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Let's jump in. What is leverage in simple words? Leverage means you're borrowing money from your broker to control a larger position than you could with just your own money. In trading, leverage lets you use a small amount of your capital to control a much bigger position. It's like your broker is handing you money to amplify your trades. Sounds awesome, right? Well, hold that thought. Electric light bulb real example, with and without leverage. Let's say you have $1,000 in your account. Right pointing black triangle # no leverage, you buy 10 shares of Tesla at $100. Tesla goes up to $105. You make $50 profit. Simple. Right pointing black triangle # with 5x leverage, your $1,000 lets you control $5,000. You buy 50 shares of Tesla at $100. Tesla goes up to $105. Now you make $250 profit instead of $50. That's the power of leverage, it multiplies your gains. But here's the catch. Leverage doesn't just multiply your profits. It also multiplies your losses. Right pointing black triangle # same trade, if Tesla drops to $95, without leverage, you lose $50. With 5x leverage, you lose $250. And if the price drops far enough, you don't just lose part of your money, you can lose your entire account. Triangular flag on post leverage ratios, what do they mean? Different markets offer different leverage. Stocks, US 2:1 or 4:1 for day trading. Futures, often 10:1 to 20:1 depending on the contract. Forex, up to 50:1 or even 100:1 with some brokers. Crypto, some platforms offer up to 100x leverage, crazy dangerous. What does 10x leverage mean? It means for every $1 you have, you control $10, bow and arrow. Why do traders use leverage? To amplify profits on small price movements. Because markets like Forex or futures move in small percentages. Without leverage, it would take forever to make meaningful money on a 0.5% move. Heavy exclamation mark symbol # the hidden danger, liquidation. With high leverage, you don't just lose slowly. Example, you trade Bitcoin with 50x leverage. A 2% move against you. Boom, account wiped. If the price moves against you by a small percentage, your entire position can get liquidated. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about learning trading, so go ahead, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's grow together on this trading journey. Alright, back to it, let's talk about how smart traders use leverage and stay safe. Fire mid-video call to action. Hey, quick pause. Are you getting value from this? They always use a stop loss. They calculate their risk per trade, usually 1% or 2% of their account, max. They understand that leverage is a tool, not a magic money machine. White right pointing backhand index. Did you smash the like button yet? Seriously, it helps way more than you think. And have you subscribed? White right pointing backhand index. Tell me, have you ever used leverage? Did it help you or hurt you? More videos are coming soon to help you master the markets the right way. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade safe, trade smart. See you in the next one. Rocket fire. How smart traders use leverage and stay safe. They never risk the full amount. Unless you misuse it. The danger isn't the leverage itself, it's poor risk management. In the hands of someone careless. Disaster waiting to happen. It can help you grow your account faster. Or it can wipe you out faster than you can click the close button. Example, you have $5,000. You use 5x leverage to control $25,000. But your risk is capped at $100 to $150 per trade. If it hits your stop, you lose $100, not your entire $5,000. That's smart trading with leverage. Electric light bulb quick pro tip. High leverage doesn't mean high risk. A white heavy checkmark. Final thoughts. The truth about leverage is like a chainsaw in the hands of a pro. Incredible tool. The key is, understand how it works. Use it wisely. Always manage your risk. Bullseye. Closing CTA. If this video helped you finally understand how leverage really works, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below.